Hi guys, Python for absolutely beginners. Today we will discuss about what is argument types with the detailed examples. Welcome to successbench channel. If you not subscribe, you will miss more updates and more details. Please subscribe, share and like.
What is argument? Means when you call in the function and providing the actual values within the called function, those values are argument. Means whenever you call in the function and that function only you provide some actual values within the calling function called function. Before you call in a function, within that function only you give some actual values. So whatever you give that actual values now, those values only argument. And types of arguments, basically the four types of arguments. First one is position argument, required argument, keyword argument and default argument. So first one is position argument. So what is the meaning of position argument? Means the arguments are dependent on position, okay, that they are occur on the function, that is position argument. These position arguments are dependent on the position. For example, I will show you def sub demo equal to x comma y, return x comma y, z equal to sub demo 8 comma 4 print z. Means here x is depends on 8, for y is depends on 4. This position is depends on this one. So this is the position argument. Position argument means dependent on the position. A required argument. What is the meaning of required argument? Means number of arguments should be same in both function call and function definition, and order position should be followed. Here order of position should be followed, and both in function call and function definition both values are same. So what is that means? I will show you with the example. Def display a comma b, print a comma b. This is the function definition, okay. Display 10 comma 20. This is a function call. So here also two arguments are display. Here also two arguments are there. So that is the required argument. Means here also both function definition and function calls have same and both same arguments, okay na. Here also two, here also two. This is called as required argument. Keyword argument means initialization will be done based on keyword, and order and position is not required. What's that means? Whatever you initialize, it will done based on the keyword only. Keyword means name. Here no need to follow the order or position. I will show you the example. Def display a comma b, print a comma b, display. So b equal to 20, a equal to 10. Initialization based on the name only. So before I explain about other argument na, they just take some values, but here not like that. Before on initial whatever you write or initialize, it will take some keywords. See, b equal to 20, a equal to 10, like this. This is the keyword argument. Next one is default argument. Number of arguments need not to be matched with the both function call and function definition. Okay, sum of argument will be considered as a default argument. Okay, I will show with example. So there is no need to match with both function call and function definition. Okay, before I explained you required argument, in that case argument should be same both in function call and function definition. This is the example. Def display name course btech, print name and print course. Display name equal to abc, course equal to mtech. Okay, and display name and pqr. Here name is abc, name is pqr. It's not matching with both function call and function definition. So anyway output is determined. That is the default argument. Output is abc, mtech, pqr, btech. variable length argument, arbitrary number of arguments, and by placing this star as a prefix to the argument of function definition. For example, def display star process for I in course of print I, display btech memtech mca mba, output it will come btech mtech mca mba, like that. I hope these concepts are clear to you. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and support, guys. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and